APAM, ang daming Pinoy, ang dami mong pwedeng makilala. Pero wala, ganun talaga.
Good morning, guys. It's 7:30 a.m. Kagigising ko lang. It's day 2 in Hanoi. Let's do this.
Good morning, guys. It's your favorite Tito Chuck, and it's our day 2 in Hanoi. Coffee muna tayo saglit, and kasi kailangan ko na magkape. It's going to be a very long day. Ang ingay, no? Grabe, wait. Sobrang ingay. But I like it. I love it. So, coffee muna, and then magbe-breakfast tayo saglit. Ayun nga, so medyo mahaba tong day na to. Marami tayong pupuntahan, marami tayong bibisitahin na places dito sa Hanoi. And hopefully makompleto ko yung nasa list ko ngayon. And let's see. Tapos ko lang mag-breakfast, I had a bagel, vegetable bagel. Tapos meron siyang mushroom sa loob, sobrang sarap. With cream cheese. Tapos nag-croissant din ako. And now, tinatapos ko lang yung coffee. Bakit ba ang sarap ng coffee sa Vietnam? And with this kind of weather. And then, after this, we'll go back to the hotel. Mag-freshen up lang. Really quick. Tapos pupunta tayo dun sa sa parang museum, Prisoners Museum, something like that. We will check also the St. Joseph Cathedral. Yung St. Joseph Cathedral was siya, parang built by the French noong 1886, and it's the oldest Catholic church in Hanoi. So I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Para siya naka-pattern sa sa Notre Dame in Paris, if you've been there. I've been there. Nakita ko na siya before pa masunog. Nakatawa dito sa Hanoi. Parang, kunwari, if you're single and if you want to soul search, I think you will meet a lot of people here. Ang daming turista, ang daming APAM, ang daming Pinoy, ang daming mong pwedeng makilala dito if you're on the lookout of, meeting people, ganyan. Ito yung area ko saan ako nag-coffee. Sobrang kanto. Ang cute ng vibes. Imagine, nagkakaping ng ganyan. May mga motorcycles dyan. And then people walking around. Ganda, di ba? Nakalabas na kami ng hotel and we just arrived dito sa St. Joseph's Cathedral. Super beautiful. I actually thought it's bigger in person. Ganda.
I walk by. Era nella loro cifra quella?
Ang ganda, all gray, oh. According to Google, it's a French Gothic revival architecture, and it was inspired by the Notre Dame de Paris. Kahit maraming tao, napaka-serene ng pakiramdam. ano, ang peaceful ng ang peaceful sa pakiramdam dito. Nakita na naman tayo mga kabayan, mga Filipinos na nagbabakasyon. So, nag-get together daw sila dito sa Hanoi. One is from Germany, one is from other parts of Europe. And then, dito yata sila nakita-kita. It's nice that Filipinos are traveling. Kasi nakaka-enhance ng learning when you get to learn and see new cultures. In fairness, ang arte ng cultures. So we're heading to the Prisoners Museum. It's just a 9-minute walk from the Paulo Museum. It's just a 9-minute walk from the St. Joseph's Cathedral. So lakad-lakad lang tayo. May mga shops sila dito. Welcome to Quiapo, Divisoria. Ayan o, napakadami nilang motorsiklo dito. From this side to that side. It's never ending. So, darating lang natin dito. Pasok tayo sa loob and check natin ano makikita natin. Napapasok lang namin sa museum. So we had to pay 50,000 dong. And that's for the entrance and for you to understand yung installations niya. So you have to rent like yung parang audio nila, audio presentation. So that's another 100,000 dong. Nung papasok kami sa entrance, they said na hindi kompletong installation ng about 40%. Pero since andito na rin kami, might as well go inside and check yung museum sa loob. Palabas lang namin ng Waldorf Prison. Super interesting. Daming bisitahin nyo rin yun. Madami kayong malalaman about yung mga political prisoners nung nagkaroon ng war sa Vietnam. So inintay ko na lang yung bus na dumating for the hop on, hop off para maikot natin, mas makita ang Hanoi. Tapos later, nakabili na rin ako ng ticket for the puppet show. So I'm really looking forward to that. In fairness, marami tayong nagawa today. Nag-windburn naman ako ngayon dahil nga mahangin, malamig. Dami pa ring tao. Nakakatawa talaga dito. Super dami ng turista. Ay, mapapasana all ka naman talaga. Pero wala, ganun talaga. Sa taas na tayo ng bus. Yan, sarap. Presko. Turistang turista, grabe naman. Hi guys! Follow nyo si Tito Chuck. Naririnig nyo ba ako? Kung naririnig nyo ako, sumigaw kayo ng woo! Actually, this is a good way para makita mo yung Hanoi, especially kung squeeze lang yung time nyo, kagaya ko. Parang ano lang, parang 2.5 days lang. Or parang ganun. So, tas ano lang, 150,000 dongs. Diyan na sa screen yung kung magkano in peso. 'Di ba? Hindi talaga ako nagpa-plan kung saan ako pupunta when I visit a country. Usually i-check ko lang kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin pag dumating na ako. Or kung ano yung mga pwedeng puntahan, ganyan. So today, ang dami kong medyo madami-dami naman ding nagawa, and at the same time, nag-swak lahat ng schedule namin from visiting the church, having breakfast, having lunch, pati yung tickets for the puppet show, nakakuha pa ako, buti meron pa, ang galing, wala lang, nakakatuwa. So ibig sabihin, para sa akin yung tong araw na to. Yung daanan ng train, no? Diyan tayo kagabi. So, katatapos lang ng hop on, hop off namin. And, mag-iikot-ikot ulit. Lakad-lakad. In fairness, very informative naman yung hop on, hop off na bus. I highly recommend na try nyo rin yan. Hello, so we're about to watch the puppet show. And nagpapapasok na sila. So we got our tickets earlier. And I'll show you some snippets of the puppet show mamaya. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung katatapos lang namin manood nung water puppet show. If you happen to go here sa Hanoi, you should try it. Super sulit, super cute, super entertaining, and ang galing kasi parang nagagawa ng mga puppeteers yung mga yon. Tapos, I also suggest na kunin nyo yung audio guide para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung sinasabi because it's in Vietnamese. And the audio guide is 50,000 dong. So, sulit na rin. Worth it. You should try it.
You a vlogger?
Yeah, I started my YouTube recently. Yeah.
You from where?
Philippines.
Oh.
So, nag-order ako ng spud. Wanna say hi? Yeah. Hey guys, follow nyo Spud Gang. Visit kayo dito sa Hanoi.
Follow Spud Gang.
Spud Gang. Ang sarap nito, grabe.
Yeah, we'll take it.
Yummy. Magta-try ako ng hat. Guys. Good morning, guys. It's our last day in Hanoi, so nagbe-breakfast lang kami. We are back here in Hanoi, croissant and coffee. I super love their bagels. It's actually here now. Morning. Yeah, the bacon. Yeah, bacon and then the veggie. Yeah, perfect. I super love it here. Ang sarap ng bagel nila. I ordered a latte, Vietnamese latte. and vegetable with mushroom bagel and bacon with egg. Super sarap. You should try it here pag na-visit kayo dito sa Hanoi. So yesterday was sobrang productive yesterday. Ang dami kong nagawa dito. Nakapag-shopping din. Really excited. Unfortunately, today babalik na tayo ng Manila. I hope I could extend our vacation, pero what to do, ganun talaga. Pag nagbabakasyon, kailangan mong bumalik sa bansa mo. So, kakain lang muna ako saglit.
Sorry? Can I ask you a question?
Sure, what is it?
Do you have a favorite camera store here?
Uh,
Or you not
I haven't seen one.
Okay.
I haven't seen one.
Know if you guys...
Sure.
Hey.
First. Hmm?
Yeah.
Hey guys, andito na ako sa Hanoi International Airport. Hindi crowded yung departures area nila. Alam nyo, nakakatuwa yung driver kanina papunta dito na parang he really likes the Philippines now, gusto niya mga Filipinos. Tapos, wala, nagkukantuan na kami about family, nag-Google Translate na kami kanina. And I thanked him kanina, yung sabi ko sa kanya, salamat sa Vietnamese people for their hospitality because they're really nice. Ang babait ng mga Vietnamese and they're really honest kahit sa Grab. In all fairness, wala naman ako naging problema sa ano nila, sa about honesty. Ayun, even dun sa hotel, yung receptionist, she's super nice. Siya yung nag-arrange ng transportation ko sa Sapa. So, na-explain naman niya bakit nagkaroon ng problema. It's on the operator side. Siyempre, may mga nangyayari naman talagang hindi maiiwasan. Mamaya papasok na tayo in a bit. What a way to spend my holidays. Napakasaya. Nag-enjoy ako sobra. Also, kanina nung nagbe-breakfast kami, may pumasok sa mata ko. Yan na naman ako eh. Mapapraning na naman ako nito. Hindi ko alam kung insekto. Finlash out ko na siya ng tubig. Hindi ko lang alam kung natanggal ko ba siya or what. Natatakot ako baka mamaga or ma-infect. But hopefully natanggal ko na. Hopefully na flush out ko na siya. Ay, another thing na iisipin ko na naman as an overthinker. Nakaka-overthinker ko, nakakabuisit. Andito na kami sa lounge. Bumili lang ako ng perfume sa duty free earlier because if dun sa mga nakakilala sa akin and now alam nyo na if there's one thing na nagpapasaya sa akin talaga ay perfumes. Super hilig ko talaga. Next time, malay nyo, mag-perfume reveal tayo or perfume collection reveal. Alright, so yung mabilis lang naman yung immigration side. Tuloy-tuloy nga eh. Wala namang pati dun sa check-in. In fairness, very smooth. Dire-diretso. Kain lang tayo really quick. So may pumpkin soup tayo and then salads. You know naman, pag Vietnam parang ang sarap talaga ng veggies. Okay, so ano nga bang key takeaway ko ngayong vacation na to? So basically, it's not always going to be a smooth ride. Actually, sa life, ganun naman, hindi naman laging perfect eh. I envision this trip to be really perfect because I really look forward na makapagbakasyon this time. And ayun nga, meron mga small hiccups like the transportation from from Hanoi to Sapa, then Sapa to Hanoi. But then again, let's always look to in the brighter side of things. You should always stay positive kung ano man yung hamon na ibigay sa atin ng buhay. And yung mga simpleng bagay na minsan dapat hindi na natin kailangan gawing big deal or palakihin. Mas magaang, mas maganda, wala kang iisipin, less stress. Yes, i-acknowledge mo sa simula, but after that, just let go and just let go lang. Siguro wag natin tambayan yung mga issues na dumarating sa atin. Again, i-acknowledge nyo kasi andyan lang yan. Pero wag natin dibdibin siguro minsan yung mga bagay-bagay na kaya naman nating palagpasin. So there, I'm going to wrap up this video na this vlog. Masayang-masaya ako na nakapagpahinga and nakapag-explore ng bagong culture. And I hope na i-share nyo naman sa mga friends nyo and family members si Tito Chuck para big happy family na tayo. Okay, meron lang ako windburn, grabe. And sana natanggal na yung pumasok sa mata ko kanina, napaparaning talaga ako. So that's it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tito Chuck's Vlogs. And gaya na sinasabi ko sa inyo palagi, I'll do my best to make you happy. Bye. Love you.